for Lolly. And this is for Lolly. This is for Pop.
This is for Lolly. And we took this, we took this out of the case so that we can show Lolly.
It's a lollipop.
We can show Lolly a little better and not have parts of the phone case flipping over the top of it.
Let's not bite it.
Okay, Lolly. Here's the next one. We're going to show you how to make a phone call. See this app down here at the bottom left? That's the app that you would use to make a phone call. So we're going to click that app. So you have several choices. You can press this little button down here if you know the phone number. You can dial it. If we were to call you, of course, that is your home phone number. But we're not going to call you. We're going to show you that this phone works. So we're going to call our house phone. This is our house phone. It shows up here Julie Jones 932-8158 and Michael Jones 932-8158-941. With a cell phone, you never, I say you never have to dial a 1. If you're dialing a person rather than a company, you never have to dial a 1. You dial the area code and then you dial the number. So we're going to go down here to the green button and make the phone call, and we will listen for the phone to ring.
Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
Jacob Jones. Okay, you hear that phone ringing? What is that, Jacob?
Phone.
Is it your phone? Yeah. So the phone is ringing. Oh, there's Michael answering the phone. So, Mom, that is how you answer the phone, or how the phone call happens. Michael hung up the phone for us. So these are all the phone calls we have made or have tried to make on your phone. Some of these are the ones that you did in Atlanta, and some of these are the ones that we've done here. But clearly the phone works. We were able to call us. You got a spam phone call this afternoon at 1:50, and your phone didn't ring, which is a really nice feature. Okay, that's it for this video.